Hi, I'm Effie, and I'm a logo maniac. What is a logomaniac? It's a person who is obsessed with words, and I am officially obsessed. I love to learn new words. I love to learn new words, to use new words, and to share new words with my friends and family. And now I get to share new words with you. Yay! Every week on my channel, I will tell you about 2 new words. Plus, I'll share other fun things that I learned and that inspire me. I even have a video about the word logomaniac. Can you guess where it comes from? You'll have to watch to see if you're right. Yay! I am so excited to learn with you. It's going to be so much fun. But you don't have to wait. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download the free Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book, full of learning activities and color sheets. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Until then, happy learning.